Okay, this tutorial is to show you how to automatically publish a post from WordPress to your Facebook wall or Facebook profile wall or Facebook page wall. Okay, the method I'm gonna use is the Jetpack plugin that will every time you publish a post on your WordPress site, it will automatically publish on Facebook also with a link to your site. Alright, so without further ado, first thing you need to do is install Jetpack. You just go to plugins, add new, and if you have a recent version of WordPress, it should be right here on the add plugins main page. Just install it. Okay, and usually you'll just activate it here, but I'm using a network site. Most likely you're probably not on a network site. You'll just activate it right here. I just have to do a few more steps because of the way my site is set up. Go to plugins and I'll activate it right here. Once it's activated, I'll receive a banner, a green banner that says your Jetpack is almost ready. Connect to WordPress.com. So I'll just click that to connect to WordPress.com. You do need a WordPress.com account. If you don't have one, you have the option to create one right here. And you'll just punch that information in and click approve. And once it's connected, um, you will see this screen here, just giving you some Jetpack information. There's a lot of things Jetpack can do, but we're not going to go into all of that right now. Only thing you need to do is go to the Jetpack settings, and we're going to configure a setting for publicize right here. Just hover over it and click configure. And from here, you'll connect to your Facebook account. As you can see, there's other social media platforms you could do this with also, but I'm only going to do it with Facebook. Just click connect, put in my Facebook information, username, password, log in, and it will ask me about some permissions. For the most part, you could click OK through all of them. OK, OK, OK. If you want to read through it to make sure that's exactly the setting you want, you could do that. But by default, you just click OK. All right, now I'm presented with a page of a dialogue that's asking me what do I want to publicize to. Now I could choose my Facebook wall, which is my personal profile, and I'm also an administrator of 4 pages here, and I could choose which one of these 4 pages I want to publicize to also. Alright, so if you are an administrator, I don't think this shows up if you're not an administrator of different pages, but if you are, you'll get the option of choosing which page to publicize to if you don't want to do it to your Facebook, your personal Facebook wall. Alright, so I'm choosing the page and I'm going to select this option here that says make this connection available to all users. And I'll scroll down and click OK. And that should be it. Now I can go to the bottom and save. And once those settings are saved, everything should be working fine. Um, the next thing I'll do is test it out. So I add a new post, and I'll say call it sample post, title, or sample post as the title, and the content sample post content. Alright, and now add a featured image. Let me add a featured image. The reason you would like to use featured images because that's what will show up on Facebook. And I'll set this as a featured image, and I will publish it. And once it's published, I'll go to Facebook. Let me open a new tab. Go to Facebook. Make sure that it is showing on the page I specified, and it's right there. So this is the featured image that I use. Sample post content. It has the referring website, um, and that's it. So it's pretty straightforward. Like I said, you could use it for different social media platforms. It's not just Facebook, and very easy. Thanks for watching.